Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. In today's video, we are continuing our new series of building a directory website using Oxygen Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. Let's get started. Oxygen Builder is a pixel-perfect design meets WordPress power. It has user-friendly interface with customizations. It has a lot of extensions and features. It also offers many features such as dynamic data, variables, and many more. Under extension, there are breakdance form for Oxygen 6 and breakdance elements for Oxygen 6 and many more. Coming on to pricing, it has lifetime bundle option for purchase. It also has good reviews. So if you want to purchase, then you can check out the link in the description box provided. If you purchase through our link, you will also get some discount. So check out the link in the description box of this video to avail the offer. In the last video of our series, we have discussed about archive page, search page, and archive item. In today's video, we will be discussing single item listing detailed page. So coming on to the WordPress dashboard, and then in Oxygen, and then templates. Then add templates, then continue, then editing title to single details, location places, then add template. So now our template is ready. So for designing, click on edit in Oxygen Builder. So open it in new tab. Now here coming on to the structure. So first of all, we will be adding post images over here. So clicking onto the plus icon, picking up a container. Then from here, we will search and drag and drop a shortcode. For adding shortcode, coming onto WordPress dashboard, then places, then add new place. Then use default editor. From here, search and select GD post image shortcode. From here, we can customize also design single image or slider. We are taking slider and link none and wrapper style, margin border. These all also can be chosen. From here, coming on to advanced setting. So it's opening above here. So from here, image limit can be set. So we are setting 3 and show limit to 3. Let's remove this image limit and keeping show limit. Then coming and copying the shortcode and coming back into the builder and paste it. So now it's showing like this. So now let's save it once. Then coming on to the front end and refresh it. Coming on to the archive page, clicking on to a listing. So our single page is ready. Since we have added 3 slide show limit, so it is sliding 3. So we want to keep it in full width. We also want post title also to be shown below, also along with content and details. So we'll move forward step by step, coming on to builder and taking one more container, then coming on to structure. Then within these container, we will be adding heading, which is our post title. So drag and drop the heading. Then coming on to dynamic tags. Then from here you get many options. So from here selecting post title, tags h2. So now below this we will be adding post ratings. So again taking a shortcode. So selecting post rating shortcode from here. From coming on to style, we can choose customizations from here. We are selecting all. And then from here wrapper style, borders can be given. So border we are editing to none. So copying the shortcode and coming on to the builder and paste it. So now our rating is also added. We want to add a icon of favorite also. Coming back to the structure and dragging and duplicating this container and keeping this heading within the container and the main container, that is main container of the heading and the left and right container, naming it post heading and fab. And after giving this class, doing selection, left class container will be post heading. After selection, giving it size 80%. And for the right container, favorite call, coming on to size, editing it to 20%. So from here, adding a shortcode block and taking a shortcode from here of post favorite. Coming on to the advanced settings, we are keeping icon color of off as whitish gray and for on reddish. Keeping alignment right and border to none. Then copying the shortcode, coming back and paste it in the shortcode block. Let's edit its H5 size to H3. Now let's save it, and then coming on to front end and refresh it. So now it looks like this. Click onto the plus icon, taking the shortcode block, then adding shortcode, coming back to the shortcode, then opening it and selecting from here GD single tab, keeping output type head only, coming on to the wrapper style and border to none. Then copying the shortcode and coming back, pasting it, coming back again into the shortcode, selecting it, show as list and output to body only, and then again copying the shortcode and paste it into the. So now we have added here post content. Now in the right column we will be taking up a shortcode block, dragging it and coming back, adding a shortcode, that will be output location shortcode, selecting it, coming on to wrapper style. We can add padding margin according to requirement, then copying the code and then pasting it over here. Save it, coming on to the output and then refresh it. So now our post single tab can be seen here. Contact details of the listing can also be seen over here. In the custom fields, whatever will be added will be seen over here. Now let's design it a little bit. So coming back to the builder, opening structure, then selecting main container of the left and right container, coming on to size and editing it to 90%. Then save it and coming on to the front end and refresh it. So now it looks like this. It looks presentable. So now we want to add some background color to both right and left side for separating them. So coming back to builder, selecting container, coming on to background and color, giving it slight shade of orange and spacing padding 30, apply all, and border radius to 12 pixel, then save it. Then coming to the front end and refresh it. So now it looks like this. So now our content is here. Now we will add border. So border width 1 pixel and border color black shade. Then save it and then coming to the front end and refresh it. Now the border is a little bit more, so coming back, reducing opacity, then now adding margin from top, that is 30 pixel, and apply opposite and save it. Then come to the front end and refresh it. Now it looks professional. Adding margin to the right column, so coming on to spacing, then margin 30 and apply opposite and then save. Then coming into the front end and refresh it. So we have added single page post images titles are also added, ratings is also added, favorites can also be seen, post content is also added, listing details are also added this side. So this was all about single listing detail page. In the next video we will be demonstrating joint landing page. Thank you. The container of the width is not equivalent to the width of header. So let's fix it first. So coming back to the structure, into the post heading container and into the last shortcode, taking one more container over here, then opening a structure and making this container as its main container. Let's rearrange it. So we need one more container, taking one more and then coming on to structure, inserting it within. Now we will add these both container into a container. So from the plus icon we will take one more container and drag and drop it. Then coming on to structure and then dragging it outside, and we will be moving them within this container. So now it's done. Editing name of the main container as post heading container with fab. Coming on to flex and flow rate row wise. Coming on to this container, taking one more class, naming it main call container. Editing its size, pixel to percentage and 90%. Coming back to the main container, alignment X center and alignment Y center. Save it. Coming on to the front end and refresh it. So now the width is equal, and also the favorite icon can also be seen. So shifting the favorite icon, coming back, selection of the shortcode, coming on to flex and alignment X to right and Y to center. Now let's save it once again, coming onto the front end and refresh the page. So now it looks good. So this was our post images, post title, post rating and favorites. Now we will be adding the main thing, that is the post content and post contact details. So taking up a column from here, in this column we will take one more column, coming on to the structure and duplicate this from here, then duplicating once again and shifting these container into these. In a main container there will be one more main container, and within it there will be two containers. So we will be making arrangement of the width in a such way that the width will be equivalent of to the header and footer. Coming on to the main container and naming it post container details. After selection, coming on to settings, flow row wise, align X center, Y center. Coming on to the next container and editing this container's name, details and container, details and contact container. Then coming on to this container and naming it content call, and for the right container, contact call. Editing content call size 70%, and for the right, editing its size to 30%, and main containers size 100%. Flow row wise. Then coming back here again and flow row wise. So we will be adding over here content, and in the right side contact details of the listings.
We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.